Rosemary is a popular herb that has been used for centuries for its flavorful taste and potential health benefits. It is a perennial herb that is native to the Mediterranean region and is commonly used in cooking and aromatherapy. In addition to its culinary uses, rosemary has been shown to have a range of potential health benefits, including improving brain function, reducing inflammation, and possibly even having anti-cancer properties. In this article, we will take a closer look at the top 10 health benefits of rosemary and how you can incorporate it into your diet. Number 1. May improve brain function. Rosemary has been shown to improve memory and cognitive function in several studies. It may also help to reduce the effects of age-related decline in brain function. Number 2. May have anti-inflammatory effects. Rosemary contains compounds that may have anti-inflammatory effects, which may help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Number 3. May have anti-cancer properties. Some studies have suggested that rosemary may have anti-cancer properties, though more research is needed to confirm this. Number 4. May improve digestion. Rosemary may help to improve digestion and reduce bloating. It may also have antibacterial properties that can help to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria in the digestive tract. Number 5. May help to reduce stress. Rosemary has been shown to have a calming effect on the mind and may help to reduce stress and improve sleep. Number 6. May improve circulation. Rosemary may help to improve circulation, which can help to deliver oxygen and nutrients to the body's cells. Number 7. May improve skin health. Rosemary may have astringent properties that can help to tighten and tone the skin. It may also have antibacterial properties that can help to prevent the growth of acne-causing bacteria. Number 8. May improve hair health. Rosemary may help to stimulate hair growth and improve the overall health of the scalp. Number 9. May improve bone health. Rosemary may help to improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Number 10. May have antiviral properties. Some studies have suggested that rosemary may have antiviral properties, which may make it effective at fighting off viral infections. Overall, rosemary is a versatile herb that has a wide range of potential health benefits. It is easy to add to your diet and can be used in a variety of dishes and drinks. However, it is important to speak with a healthcare professional before incorporating rosemary into your routine, as it may interact with certain medications.